Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to resolve microphone issues in Google Chrome. If your microphone isn't working as expected, this tutorial will guide you through fixing it. Start by opening Google Chrome, if it's not already open. In the top right corner, click the three dots to open the menu, then go to Settings. In the Settings page, scroll down to the bottom and click Advanced to expand more options. Under Privacy and Security, find and select Content Settings. This controls what information websites can access, including your microphone. Look for microphone and check if it's enabled. If it's set to Ask before accessing, click the drop-down menu and select a different microphone if needed. If the one you're currently using isn't working, try switching to another microphone from the list. If you're not sure which microphone to choose, go through them one by one until you find the one that works. That's it. I hope this fixes your issue. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to helping you in the next tutorial.